Hello friends, I am Sudhanshu Bhushan, Assistant Professor LPU. Today we are going to discuss brief discussion about the how to make the innovative mocktails and which syrup we have to use, which equipments we have to use to make the mocktails, and how we can make the innovative and refreshing mocktails. Now I am going to discuss which type of equipments we are using to make the cocktails and mocktails. Like that, the lemon squeezers we have to squeeze the lemon juices. Then we have the cocktail strainers to strain the all cocktails and drinks. Then we have the jiggers for measure the all liquors and syrups. Then we have wine opener, wine skewers that open the wine bottles. Then we have the perfect spoons for the stirring the drinks, or maybe we have something to mix it in the drinks. Then we have the muddlers for the types of glasses that you can use to make for that. Then we have ice bucket. Then we have the salt reamers for the cocktails and mocktails if you want to ream the glasses. Then we have the Boston shakers and the shakers for the shaking the drinks. Then we have some scoopers to scoop the fruits for the garnishing. Then we have bottles that we are usually give the training for the student for the juggling. We are giving the training of juggling also for the student. So that's the current trends in the hotel industry. If you are working in a bar, you must have know about how to do the jugglings. So we are giving the trainings of jugglings also. So now I'm going to make the refreshing summer special mocktails, that's Shirley Temples. For that we are using the grenadine syrup 60 ml. For glasses we are using the champagne tulip. Then we'll squeeze some lemon juices, like 15 ml of the lemon juices we'll squeeze. We'll add 30 ml of grenadine syrup. Then add some 2-3 cubes of ice. And the top up with the soda or aerated drinks. That can be the Sprite or soda. Now you can garnish with the lemon slice or we'll add some mint leaf. That looks a bit refreshing. That's your drink is ready. For making the cocktails and mocktails, we used to you have the mainly method. So basically 7 methods we are using to make the cocktails and mocktails. So first I have made the Shirley Temples. In that we used the stirring method, but now I am going to make the kiwi slush. That will be the shaken method. So for that we have to take the shakers with the full of ice. We'll add 60 ml of kiwi crush. We can measure, or if you have any idea, you can add it accordingly. Then we add bit of lemon juices. That will be the 15 ml. To add some water, or if you want you can add the milk also. Then you use the method of shaking the drinks. After that, use the Hathor strainers to strain the drinks. You can use the cocktail glasses to serve. And we add bit of lemon, so we can do the garnishes of lemon also. Looks a bit refreshing. We can add the mint leaf. That's your drink is ready. Current trends in hotels, most of the guests likes the healthy and the refreshing drinks. So healthy means the mocktails, we can make the mocktails more healthier than the by the using the local ingredients, fruits and the all herbal items. By like mint, we can make the mint mojito, we can make the watermelon mojito, we can make the many kinds of mojito we can make by the help of fruits and all. That's healthier also, that's refreshing also. So like in we have to work according to the industry. In Lovely Professor University, we have like hands-on practices on the current trends, what's going on the hotels. Used to having the all like equipped lab for the students, they can practice hands-on practices every day as you wish, as they can. To learn the how to innovative mocktails and how you want to make the innovative cocktails and mocktails, you want to learn the hospitality trends, you need to join the hospital like our hotel management courses. We are running with the 3 courses like BSc, BHMCT, MSc and the BACA, Bachelor in Culinary Arts, just specialized for the culinary. So you can choose your course accordingly. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.